na kuga njohi thumu ni twikete ugwati hari ugitiri wa bururi. Niaretana kuri kamiti cia ugitiri cia kaunti gucokerera mitaratara ya kunina njohi thumu iria irehete ikuu nyingi kuri a Kenya.
The government is going to declare a countrywide operation in all areas of our country where people are imprisoned by the consumption of dangerous drinks and alcoholic drinks. That operation will begin immediately. I have directed all the county security and intelligence teams across the country to convene today and bring a roadmap which will enable us to carry out an operation where we save those of us who are still alive before we have an incident like this again.
Akiaria thutha wa gucemania na kamiti ya ugitiri ya kiirinyaga, Kindiki niaugite thirikari ni twete itua ria kurua na njohi iria itari ya kiwatho na athondeki a njohi iyo. Niathiete na mbere na kuga thirikari ndikunoga kuhurana na njohi thumu na unyui wa njohi ukuoyota ugwati hari ugitiri wa bururi undu umwe na utoi.
This time round, the operation that we are commencing across the country is going to be a permanent operation as long as this problem exists. We are not going to withdraw or scale it down. We are going to treat it the way we have treated the problem of terrorism and banditry by having a continuous, permanent operation until this problem is gone.
Nianireire mitaratara ya thirikari ya kurora license cia aria mathondekaga njohi na kuruta igoti nene kwi indo iria ithondekaga njohi. Mutaratara ucio ugutwarithio kwa ihinda nginya aria othe manyitetwo itemi guikio ngono.
We are going to review all the existing licenses of manufacturers of second generation drinks across the country. Even those who are already licensed, we're going to review those licenses afresh and vet and control the number of manufacturers that we can allow to engage in that business, of course subject to them meeting the required quality standards.
Girifora Muthingi TV, Getwo Mase Washira.
Na tugithie na